Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Amazon Flex app for delivery earnings optimization, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download the Amazon Flex app for delivery earnings optimization, start by unlocking your smartphone. Go to the App Store on your device. For iPhone users, open the App Store. For Android users, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Amazon Flex and press enter. Look for the app with the Amazon logo entitled Amazon Flex. Tap on the app icon. Review the app details to ensure it is the official Amazon Flex app. Once confirmed, tap the download or install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installation is complete, locate the app on your home screen or app drawer. Tap the Amazon Flex app icon to open it. If you already have an Amazon Flex account, enter your login information. If you are new, follow the prompts to create an account. After logging in or creating an account, you may need to allow necessary permissions for the app. Review the terms and conditions and agree to them to proceed. Once inside the app, explore the features designed for delivery earnings optimization. Set up your profile by adding relevant information. Customize your notification preferences for delivery alerts. Familiarize yourself with the delivery scheduling options available. Start exploring different delivery routes and availability in your area. Utilize the analytics tools within the app to track. Regularly update the app for the latest features and improvements. Now you're ready to start maximizing your delivery earnings with the Amazon Flex app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.